sporting events because we're moving towards the playoff time for GPAC. How did that go for us, Mo?
Well, for the women volleyball team, they actually won, but in soccer and women's soccer and men's soccer, they actually lost. But it was good news in the cross country, Dawn cross country team, which you're part of, and I'm pretty sure you're proud of.
Yeah,
going to the national meet. So we'll just go ahead and jump right into
it.
it. In sports this weekend, the Tigers men and women's cross-country team accomplished one of their goals on Saturday afternoon by qualifying for the NAIA National Championship meet as a team. Both squads finished third at the meet, and on the men's side, Sufjan Kimo paced the Tigers with a fifth-place finish. In women's action, Viviana Arreola led Dawn with a seventh-place finish. Dawn will travel to Kenosha, Wisconsin to participate in the NAIA Championship meet on November the 22nd. The Dawn College football team lost their final road game to a rival Nebraska Wesleyan on Saturday afternoon. The Tigers was shut out by Nebraska Wesleyan as the final score was 23-0. The loss brings the Tigers' record down to 3-6 on the season, and the Tigers will play their final game at home against Dana College this Saturday at 1 p.m. In college soccer, the men and women's soccer team lost their first-round playoffs game. On the men's side, the Tigers held tight for 101 minutes until a penalty kick decided the game. Northwestern's goal came with 1 minute and 31 seconds in the second overtime period. They gave the Red Raiders a 1-0 victory. On the women's side, the Lady Tigers battled strong in the first half. Dawn outscored Morningside 2-0. Samantha Ekstrom and Kelly Spencer supplied the goals. But in the second half, Morningside rallied back, racking in 2 goals of their own. But with 5 minutes left in the game, Katie Goss scored a corner kick to put the Mustangs ahead, and the final score 4-3. In women's basketball, Dawn battled back from a 10-point halftime deficit, defeating Mid-American Nazarene University 81-74. The Tigers improved their record to 3-0. Brittany Lurks led the Tigers with 17 points, and Lindy Anderson added 16 of her own. Dawn will travel to Rapid City, South Dakota to face number 18 Black Hills State at the South Dakota Tech Classic. And the Dawn College volleyball team won their first playoff game, defeating Hastings 3-0. Jesse Livers led Dawn with 18 kills. The Lady Tigers will travel to Orange City, Iowa on November the 12th to face Northwestern College in the semifinals of the GPAC tournament. And that is it for sports. And now let's talk to Mike. Now, what's going on in entertainment?
You know, there's a lot of cool stuff going on, and actually there's a lot of good stuff going on in country entertainment. So we're going to talk about